So you may notice that I am in my literally just rolled out of bed natural state, because today I'm going to be trying out the Unbelieva-brow from L'Oreal. So this is a new long wear brow gel. So I just picked this up in my local Boots because I was just really intrigued by it. It says it lasts 24 hours and it's waterproof, transfer proof, smudge proof and sweat proof, yet claims to be easily removed with wipes or like makeup remover. So yeah, I thought this would be really good for days when you might go swimming or you just want a really long wearing brow, if you want your brows to last you know, over a couple of days. So this is currently $9.99 on Boots at the moment. It was $14.99, so now is a good time to buy. It has 253 reviews and over 4 stars, 4.25 stars out of 5. So looking good. It's got 6 shades, a cool blonde, a warm blonde, a brown, a brunette, a dark brunette and an ebony. So it has a good amount of shades, but there isn't like a redhead shade, which is always the one that seems to get missed out annoyingly. So I went for the shade 105 brunette. I actually wanted to get the dark brunette shade, but it looked warmer, which made me nervous because I hate warmth in my brows. My brows are quite cool and so is my hair. So I'm not a fan of warm toned brows. So I'm hoping this is going to be more cool toned than the dark version. So in the little kit you get your brow gel and then you get this little spoolie. And having read the instructions, it basically says that you apply the gel with the doe foot and then you kind of do your brows like you normally would using the angled brush. It does look really nice and thin, so I think it looks like quite a nice brush to do your brows with. So you do your brows like you normally would with your brow brush and like your cream, and then you use the spoolie just to neaten everything up, and then you leave it for 90 seconds and it should be there for 24 hours. Let's see, shall we? So I'm just going to give my brows a little brush through first so I know what shape I want to work with. Should have probably plucked them first, but you know, time is of the essence. So here is the little doe foot applicator. This is going to last you quite a long time, get quite a fair amount of product in there, so that's good. 3.4 mils it says. So yeah, I'm so scared to start, I can't even tell you. It's got a nice smell to it actually. It smells like skincare type of smell. So obviously I've got a clean face, clean brows, nothing on my skin. I'm just gonna, oh dear. Good job I've got one of these handy. Already messed it up, so I'm just gonna run this through. And then I'm gonna quickly clean up where I don't want it, because I don't actually know if this is gonna stain my skin, although it does say actually that it's easily removed with wipes, so hopefully that's true, because I've just made a right mess of it. So now I'm just doing my brows with this brush like I normally would, just basically dispersing the product. I'm not adding extra product. in a bit is a little bit tricky. I'm going to try and put a tiny bit of product directly onto the brush for a bit of a lighter fill in, some hair strokes. I'm finding it personally impossible to make hair strokes, but I am not particularly talented at doing my brows, so maybe if you use your own brush, or you're just better at brows than I am. Okay, so pretty happy with that. I'm just going to again go through with the spoolie as instructed. I guess that they're asking you to do this just to sort of set them in place and just to comb through any excess product build up. And I did find it really easy just using a cotton tip and just like a wipe on my finger to clean up any edges. That was really easy. I'm really happy with those. I think they look great. Okay, so now they're on. I'm happy with how my brows are looking. I'm really happy with the colour. It's very close to my hair. So now we've passed the 90-second mark, certainly on this side, then I'm just going to see if it passes the smudge test. So I'm just pressing my finger onto the brow. There's literally nothing there. Okay, I'm shocked. Let's try rubbing it. Like, I'm rubbing it. A teeny tiny bit came off that time, but I rubbed it. And now I'm going to try and smudge it. And there's not even anything on my finger. Okie dokie. Do you know what? I slightly rubbed away this tail, if you can just see here, but it didn't like leave a smudge. It didn't leave a mark or anything, but it has rubbed off, which I guess is what they're saying, that, you know, it is supposed to be easy to take off with a wipe. So bear that in mind, that although it hasn't like smudged across my face, it has worn off. So, you know, obviously you're not supposed to be going around trying to rub it off or anything. But I am quite impressed. I guess the thing is, it is a difficult balance, trying to make something easy to remove, but also long wearing. And I guess as long as you don't rub it like I just did, it's gonna stay there. You know, you can wipe it, you can touch your face, you can do this, you can have an itch. That is amazing, and it is there. There's nothing on my hand. I am really happy. I really like it. I think it looks really nice. The only slight thing is it's not as easy to do the front of the brow where I like hair strokes. I'm going to give you as close up a look as I can. Please forgive me for not plucking my eyebrows. I hardly ever do. But yeah, you can see it looks nice and natural in the brow. It doesn't look clogged up. They don't look like really shiny. They look quite natural. Yeah, I think they look quite dark, obviously, when I haven't got the rest of my makeup done, but I wanted to make sure I applied them to bare skin, just in case of any issues in the application. So I'm going to give the brows a good like 20 odd hours. I'm going to come back first thing tomorrow morning, having had a shower, having had a whole day with the brows on, and we'll see how they've got on. Oh, hi guys. So this is weird. It's like 10:30 at night and I'm in my dressing gown. So yeah, that's not a good sign, is what I'm gonna say. So let me show you why we're back so soon. So I went to the gym this afternoon. This brow tint has been on 10 hours. So this side here has almost completely come off, and the reason being that after I went to the gym, I went and got in the bath. I didn't wash my hair or anything, but I did put like a facial on, which is why you can see my redness is so aggravated on my face. And I did completely avoid the brow area, but my brow area did get wet when I swooshed my face mask off. and it's pretty much gone from this part of my brow, and this side is where we've got real issues because it's gone really patchy and crusty. So in my opinion, I didn't rub them or touch them, and I patted very gently dry. I do not think or agree with the claim that this is waterproof for that reason. Like, it would have been a lot worse if I'd got in the swimming pool or in the shower. They'd have got a lot wetter than they did me just splashing my face to get my face mask off. So the final test before I give you my final thoughts is I'm just going to use a makeup wipe to see if the claim about it being easy to remove is true, which I would suspect it is, given that it has basically come off by itself, by me sort of splashing it a little bit. It's coming off, yeah, fairly easily. I am having to sort of rub it a little bit, which I don't really like doing with brow products because, yeah, you can see that I am losing a couple of hairs by doing that. So I'd probably recommend more, you know, using like an oil-based cleanser or whatever and gently taking it off. Because, yeah, I've pulled out a couple of brow hairs there. But it's fairly easy to remove. Yes, I agree with that claim. So here's my final thoughts. Honestly, I don't really get it. I don't get the point of it. If this was going to last on me for 3 or 4 days or a week or something like that, I'd understand. However, it's harder to apply, particularly in the front end of the brow, where I personally like to have like hair-like strokes and then to be quite fluffy and natural and to have like a faded effect. That was very hard for me certainly to do at the front of my brow. And it's just slightly fiddlier and takes longer than it normally takes me to do my brows on a day-to-day. I feel like this type of product, the point of it is to save you time, or so that you have to do your brows less often, because that's the, I mean, that's what like a brow tinting product is for, right? Otherwise I don't know what the point is at all. So yeah, maybe you don't have to do your brows every day, you can do them every other day, but then if you're gonna have a shower and they're gonna go very, very patchy and half come off, you're gonna have to do something to them on the second day anyway. So yeah, I don't know what problem this solves, if you see what I mean. So yeah, if this did truly stay on for like at least a few days and you didn't have to do your brows for 3 or 4 days, I'd be down for it. I'd be down for it being a little trickier and not being as perfect as when I usually do my brows. But given that it basically lasts the same amount of time and actually came off and looked worse than like my brow pencil or my brow pomade usually does after just getting my face a bit wet, I don't know what the point is. It doesn't solve any problem that I know of. So there you go, those are my thoughts. Obviously, apologies that the wear test was not quite the sort of 20 odd hours we were hoping for, but it seems unnecessary that given after 10 hours it was half gone. Anyway, obviously in the morning it would only have looked even worse. So I hope you found this helpful. I'd love to know if you guys have tried this, if maybe it's only me that has struggled with this, or if some people get on better with it, or if you know of a purpose that this is suited to, or a issue or something, challenge that this does resolve or is helpful for. Please let us know in the comments down below. If you aren't already, as always, I would love for you to consider subscribing before you go so that I can see you in a future video. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.